Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we have a little unboxing. Only a small one, not a very big one at all. I bought a new toy, basically. It's not a game, not for a game, well, not directly. It's this, Forever Lily. On the back, it says portable airbrush system. Yes, I've got one of these little beauties to see if it's any good. And this is what we have. Okay, so looking at this, there is a piece of paper that fell out of the box. I'm assuming it's instructions or whatnot. We have two different size paint cups, and to be fair, the smaller one looks a similar size as to the bigger one that's on my normal airbrush set. So that's going to be a much larger cup. We have a charging lead, USB, nothing special there. We have this doobry. Ooh, ladies, don't get excited. And sorry, I should have said that. And we have the airbrush itself. So let's pop that there, like so. That is that is the what you call it. That's how that's set up. And then we screw one of these cups. I'll grab the bigger one because it's the first one I picked up. And that goes on there. The lid comes off quite easy. And on the front of it you see the button and the charger point. Now, to be honest, you do get a little bit of air coming out from this all the time, but it's only when, oh, I don't know whether that's supposed to do that. It's only when you, what's the word I'm looking for? It's only when you pull the trigger back that paint actually comes out, or supposedly comes out. Not tried it yet, but we will be doing. So there we are. That is my new toy. I said it was only a small unboxing video, but that's what we have. The next time you see this will be in action. We shall hopefully be using this fairly soon to get a couple of Andy's big models base coated, if not primed. In fact, I'll probably use the rattle cans as the primer because they are big models, so I'll be able to get away with the rattle can. But I will be doing that outside because, as I said, the big models, there's no way in hell I'm getting them into my, what's the word I'm looking for? Spray booth. So that's going to be an outside job when there's a nice still day, obviously. But, as I said, we'll get the camera set up out there and we'll be able to film what we're doing. So, yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Short and sweet like a roasted maggot, I know, but Forever Lily portable airbrush kit. £40, I think it was, or possibly just over. I bought it from Ashton Model Shop. Cannot for the life of remember the actual name of it. I'm sure it's Ashton Model Centre or something like that. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, there we are. 2 cups, 2 decent sized cups, hopefully a decent airbrush for doing you know, your basic priming or base coats, that kind of thing. We'll see how they work at a later date. Until then, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye